welcome or welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be making notepads. I have two designs that I created out of Canva and printed. We have a to-do list and then mindful moments notepad that we'll be making. I printed 25 sheets of each, which would give me 4 notepads. I did print that on an 8.5 by 11 paper size, and we're going to cut that at 5.5 inches today, right down the middle. These were both printed on an Epson ET-4850 printer. Alright, so we'll jump right in. And one thing I like to do is just flip through the pages, make sure there were no printer misfeeds or that the ink didn't come out correctly or so forth, because we want to make sure that every page in our notepad is as it should be. So I do have the Cricut paper cutter. Of course you can't put too much in here, so we're going to start off with just a few sheets. Slide that in, and we're going to go right to 5.5. Make sure everything is straight. And then slide your blade a few times. And then we have 2 sections. Put those together, and I'm going to set those off to the side and cut the rest. So the materials we'll be using today: Mod Podge, a paintbrush, and these clamps. I also like to use index cards as a protector for the front and back of the notepad, just to make sure that I don't get glue all over the place. So what I usually do is just attach one to the front and the back. And then clamp. And I also like these clamps because you can like stand up your notepad. It makes it a lot easier to work with. From this point, we take our Mod Podge. Make sure this is nice and straight. And you're going to glue right across the top. And one thing I like about the Mod Podge is it dries clear. It goes on white, as you can see, but once it's all dry, it'll be clear and you don't see any of that. And this is the gloss finish. You could also use the matte finish. You'll get the same result. It's just a matter of preference. I usually paint about 3-4 coats. Make sure it gets in there nice and gets in all the grooves and binds it nice and tight. all glued and bound together. You have to let them dry. I usually let mine sit overnight just to make sure all the glue is dry and everything is the way it should be, and bind it together really good. So we'll come back and check the finished product. It's the next day. Our four notepads set overnight. Um, just to recap, what we did yesterday was we printed out our design, cut it in half. We glued it with Mod Podge and used these clamps to hold it together. So let's unclamp them for the reveal. Okay, we use the index cards as our protector. And it pulls off nice and smooth. I always test the first sheet just to make sure it's working as it should. And I could show you it's nice and smooth edge. And then here's the front. And a smooth detach. Have our finished product. Four completed notepads. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.